Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your X account password directly from the app to keep your account secure. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Go to the App Store and search for X. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open the X app. Then tap on your profile in the top left corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on your account. After that, tap on Account Information and then tap on Change Password. Simply enter your current password and then type your new password. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.